Hi there. I'm wearing a mask because I just figured out how to make this in probably less than 5 minutes with no sewing and limited materials that you will have on hand. So let me take this off and I'll show you how I did it. I'm betting everybody has some sort of a t-shirt that's no longer in use in their house. So this is just a portion of a t-shirt that I have just cut out. We are going to use a piece of wire that's optional. This is a reclaimed wire from like a twist tie that came in with some product. And you're going to need a pair of scissors, something that will cut fabric, and I have a ruler. But again, you can do this really roughly if you wish. So let's get started. We're going to first cut this piece of t-shirt fabric to 15 inches long by 9 inches wide. All right, I'm going to use a rotary cutter because I happen to have one on hand, but your scissors will do the job for this. So I'm just going to trim my first edge. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 inches wide. Oops, let's not run over my piece of wire. 9 inches wide. This does not have to be perfect. And I'm going to go 15 inches long. Again, does not have to be perfect. But if you get a nice square or a nice rectangular piece to start, it will be easier to fold. I've got one more cut to make, and I'm just going to show you where that happens. To make this cut, we're just going to slide this piece up. So you see it's 9 by 15. And I'm going to lay that down. And on the bottom 5 inches is where this mask is going to end up being the outside piece of the mask. We're going to cut in about 1/2 inch. I'm going to use my scissors for this. About 1/2 inch from the bottom and 1/2 inch into that corner. Just make a little hole and slice one approximately 4-inch cut. Okay, so we've just gone within that 5 inches at the bottom, making about a 4-inch slice so that you can see the corner is still holding on. We'll do that same thing on the other side. This does not have to be perfect. So now we have that 9 by 15 square, but you have 2 slices right there. Okay, we're going to lay that down now. I'm going to show you how we fold this up. We're almost done. We're going to take the top part, just going to put it sideways so you can see this a little bit better. Okay, you're going to take the top and you're going to fold it down about 3 inches. Right there. I'm going to turn it sideways so you can see. We're going to take that 3-inch part and fold it down just about 4 inches. So we have that 5-inch piece that's left at the bottom with the slits. We're going to lay this optional piece of wire right there at the top of that edge, right there. And then we're just going to fold that right over. It's almost to the bottom, but there's a little bit of a gap. It hasn't quite come to the very bottom. Reach underneath and grab those 2 little slits right there. Give them a little bit of a pull, not too much because you don't want to break them. And we're just going to put that right on. Those slits go over the ears and they hold on nice and tight. And I have that wire right here. Pinch. And I'm ready to go. All right, I hope this helps. Stay safe and we'll see you soon.